Passion Clinic, help for your natural beauty. Welcome back to our podcast episode 5. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shalene and today we have a very special guest with us. Let's welcome Regine.
Hi everyone, I'm Regine.
So what we did for Regine about a month ago was she did a face thread over here. How is your experience with the face thread, Regine?
So for the first time, I was really shocked because I did not know there was going to be involving of needles.
Oh.
And then apparently, came to my surprise is that the whole process is very soothing, and especially there were mask treatment at the end of the treatment as well. And then it wasn't painful at all. So it was very good.
That's a very good experience from Regine, since this is your first time ever doing an aesthetic procedure, I believe. Okay, so we can see from the picture, before Regine did her face treatment, actually she had a very sunken temple over here, and also actually the cheekbone looks a bit prominent as well, and a little bit of droopy on the lower face near the jawline here, and making her jawlines looks blurry. So after that, what we did for her is face thread lift to help her to lift up the droopy area and making her face look more lifted. And you can also observe her outlines contour is more smoother. Regine, how's the result after the face thread lift? Did anyone notice your changes?
Oh yes, because the first time ever that I did this treatment is that my mom noticed it, and then she was asking me, why is my face so puffy? And then the worst experience is that it's like you got views on your mouth, like you want to pluck your teeth, something like that. So I couldn't eat for that 2 to 3 hours. But it was amazing because the instant result is that after the facelift treatment, I feel like the whole face is really uplifted, and then even my jaw seems more sharper as well. And come to my surprise, when I look back all my previous pictures, I found that I really have a bad droopy over my left side of my face as well. So really thank you for that treatment.
Wow, I believe this is a very amazing result, and I'm glad that you had a very good experience with us.
Yes, I really feel very welcome here as well. And because like I said, it's my first time, so I was pretty skeptical at first. So I also came across a lot of social media influencers, and also in Xiaohongshu, IG, TikTok. There was a lot of saying that about inner contour and outer contour as well, which I would like to find out more from Doctor.
Nowadays, the outer and inner contour actually is a very hot topic among the Xiaohongshu, I believe, okay, especially in the China, okay. So what they believe, okay, is actually the outer contour actually consists from your forehead until to your temples, cheekbone area, your lateral cheeks area over here, then the jawline, along the jawline, and also the chins area. So this is the outline contour, okay? The inner contour actually from the eyebrow area to your T-zone, your nose, okay? The cheek, mid-cheek areas, and also the lips area. So this is the inner contour. And what we believe actually is the outer contour actually act as a foundation for you, because actually there are a lot of ligaments, okay, over the side area here, and these ligaments actually help you to lift up your face. So when you are aged, these ligaments become lax or loose, okay, so that's how you have a face sagging issue. Okay, so when our approach nowadays for lifting treatments is more towards doing this foundation part to make sure these ligaments, okay, they are tightened back. Okay, and so it gives you tighten results.
I see. Thank you so much for your sharing though. Because little did I learn, being a physio myself, I did not know that there were so many things so important of face structure and features as well. So I really learned a lot today as well.
Yes, actually, just to add a little bit more about that, actually most of the customers come to us, actually their main complaints are from the front, whatever they observe from their front part. Okay,
Correct.
let's say their dark circles, tear trough, their nasal labial fold. But little did they know actually all these problems that causing their sagging problems is actually because the lacks of their ligaments. Okay, so I think this is also very important when we are doing our consultation to actually teach or educate them about this knowledge.
I see. So usually like for newbies like me, first timer, how often would you recommend us to come to really secure that face feature so that it won't like sag as I grow older?
Okay, definitely anti-aging is a very important part, okay, throughout our process, okay. So anti-aging can be done as early as we are 20s. Okay, so there are very, very different, many modalities that we can do to actually, in terms of prevent us from aging, from machines, from skin treatments, or even as thread lift. So I think it will actually depend on the individual, based on their individual severity, what is the problems, because everyone have different face shape, different problems. So from there, then we can give the best advice for them.
So I'm glad I chose the right first step. So doctor, what would you recommend me to do next in my aesthetic procedure?
I see. Actually, there's still some improvement, okay? So I think what we can do next is actually to focus on the inner contour, okay? Probably on your upper cheeks area here, because your nasolabial fold is actually, the laugh lines is a bit obvious as well, and a little bit droopy on your upper cheek, okay? So I think that's the part that we can make some improvement next time.
I see. All right. Thank you so much. So I think I made the really, really right choice in picking HN Clinic, and also Dr. Charlene for doing my facelift procedure, because to be honest, this is my very, very first time in aesthetic procedures, and I feel like HN Clinic really did a very good job in making sure their clients understand what is the process of it, and also make us know that it's actually a painless procedure as well. So because I have a lot of friends saying that their aesthetic procedure macam tak jadi lah, and then they were having like swelling until cannot go down and stuff. So I really thank you, HN Clinic, and also Dr. Charlene for today.
You're welcome. I'm glad that you have a good experience with us, okay? I believe there will be more to come.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for staying with us. See you on the next podcast. Bye.